Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the breaking news. Yes, 4 people were killed and 3 injured when a chemical laden tanker caught fire following an accident and exploded on Pune Mumbai Expressway on Tuesday, police said. The busy carriageway was cleaned for traffic after a few hours. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis expressed grief over the days. The accident took place on the expressway stretch between Lonavala and Khandala, an official said. The tanker caught fire following an accident and exploded, causing fiery balls of the chemical to fall on the motorists traveling on the road below, he said. 4 motorists on the road below sustained injuries, of which 3 died, while 1 occupant of the tanker was killed and 2 others in the vehicle were injured, said the official from Lonavala police station. 3 other persons were injured in the accident and are being treated in a local hospital. I pray for their betterment, he said on social media. The state police, highway police personnel from INS Shivaji and the fire brigade are at the spot and the fire has been brought under control, he said. The traffic from one side of the highway has resumed, another side will be opened soon. The situation is being monitored by the state, he added. The police official said the vehicular traffic on the expressway was stopped due to the bleach and cranes are being used to clear scattered objects on the road. The clutter is being removed with the help of cranes and the vehicular traffic on the road will be resumed in next 15 to 20 minutes, the official told PTI around 3:45 p.m. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.